I want to share 10 things I have made a personal decision not to buy in 2026. Not because I'm broke, not because I'm trying to be extreme about it, but because I have realized that most of the things that we spend money on is just noise. Hi, my name is Davis. I'm building my own exterior cleaning business from the ground up. And one of the biggest lessons this journey has taught me is this. What you choose not to spend money on is just as powerful as what you earn. I'm not trying to lecture anyone. This is not the purpose of this video. This is just me being honest with you like a friend. Some of these may make you get excited when you hear them, and some may make you push back. Either way, drop a comment below. I want to hear where you stand on these. So item 1 is a new financed vehicle. Do you have a brand new financed vehicle? If the answer is yes, this is a depreciating asset funded by a monthly payment that sucks life out of you. From day one, my wife and I drive what we own. Our car is not flashy, but it is ours. It takes us from point A to point B, and nobody can take that from us. If you can't buy it with cash or comfortably without strain, then take public transport until you can afford a car. Item number 2, a new smartphone upgrade. My current phone makes calls, sends messages, and films videos for this channel and for our business. That is all I need. The temptation to upgrade is just marketing. And for us, we've got an exterior cleaning business to build. I'm not spending £800 to get slightly a better camera to use to scroll social media. Be content with the phone you have. Item number 3, unused subscriptions. Have you ever been in a situation where you have subscriptions you forgot you're paying for? Those suck life out of you without knowing. I did an audit and I canceled my dental subscription, my gym subscription. I canceled everything I wasn't actively using at least twice a week or even a month. I saved a lot and it is less stressful. If you haven't done that audit, do it this weekend. Item number 4, daily coffee and fast food runs. I am not anti-coffee. I want to make that clear. I am anti-unconscious spending. When you're grabbing a £5 coffee every morning, that is £150 a month, £1,800 a year. Go into a habit, not a decision. Make your coffee at home. Pack your lunch. It is not forever. It is temporary sacrifice, but your intention about it. There's a difference between a treat and a leak. Item number 5, business equipment on finance. This is personal for me because we own an exterior cleaning business. We've had clients we had to turn down because we didn't have the right equipment. And still, we haven't financed new equipment. Because the moment that payment lands on the books, I am working for that debt before I'm working for myself. We reinvest our profits. We grow slowly. We sleep better. Item number 6, lottery tickets. Look, I am not judging anyone, but I have never bought one. The odds aren't in your favor, mathematically or even spiritually. Real wealth is built through discipline, consistency, and time, not a scratch card. If you're putting away £10 a week on the lottery, that is £520 a year. Put that in an index fund. In 10 years, you'll be glad you did that. Item number 7, trendy clothes. I have a simple wardrobe, functional, clean, and professional. I'm not out here chasing every seasonal drop. The fashion industry is designed to make you feel behind, so you keep buying, like keeping up with the Kardashians. I buy quality pieces that last, and I wear them until they don't. That is it. Your outfit doesn't build your bank account. Item number 8, extended warranties on small items. This is a trap. Retailers push these hard because the margins are enormous. Statistically, most people never use these warranties. Instead, put that money in a small emergency fund. That is your real warranty. You will come out ahead almost every single time. Item number 9, courses I won't actually complete. I genuinely believe in self-development, but buying a £200 course to feel productive is not the same as doing the work. You collect courses like trophies and complete none of them. Now ask yourself before buying, will I finish this in the next 30 days? And does it add really value to me? If the honest answer is no, don't buy it. Item number 10, anything you haven't waited 48 hours on. This should be your personal rule. If something isn't a planned purchase, if it is an impulse, if it is an ad that got you, if it is a deal that feels urgent, wait 48 hours or more. Most of the time, the feeling passes, and the few times it doesn't, then you know it is something you actually need, not just a reaction. That one rule has saved me more money than any budgeting tool. So those are the 10 things I stopped spending money on. And look, I'm not telling you to live like a monk. I'm telling you that every single time you say no to something that doesn't serve your future, you're saying yes to the life you're actually trying to build. Which one of these are you already doing? And which one are you going to commit to do this week? Drop it in the comment section below. I am Davis, and I am building my own future one decision at a time. Subscribe for more videos on business, money, and creating a life that actually matters. I will see you in the next video.